Come shop Dollar Tree with me to find items you can use this Thanksgiving. I'm sharing my favorite products in store and showing you how I use a few Dollar Tree items in my Thanksgiving table centerpiece. Hey, I'm Sarah. You are watching Creative Ramblings. Today we are going shopping at Dollar Tree for Thanksgiving. I am going to show you a whole bunch of items that I use to decorate, DIY with, and help prep my meal. But before we head to the store, if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. You might want to consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I am here every week sharing new videos that teach you how to create, craft, and decorate your home. Now, are you a Dollar Tree shopper? Let me know down in the comments down below. All right, let's head to the store and shop for Thanksgiving. Dollar Tree is a great place for a few key items to supplement your Thanksgiving prep and decor. Let's start with some of my favorite ways to decorate the table. A roll of brown craft paper makes a fun table runner. Roll it out down the center, cut it to size to fit your table, then assemble your food and decorations down the center. Use these markers to label the dishes, or draw cute images, or even let guests write what they're thankful for right on the craft paper. You can pick up some of this glitter or colorful vinyl to add to the craft paper too. Cut pumpkins or words to dress up your temporary table runner. A few scented candles down the center of the table smell amazing. But scented candles during dinner aren't ideal. Save these for before or after. Dollar Tree never fails in the vase and votive department. Pick up some of these gold or mercury glass looking votives and add unscented tea lights for ambience. The tinted mason jars with handles or these seasonal jars would give off a beautiful glow when paired with a votive candle. Plain glass vases can be filled with any number of fillers available at the store. Then add candles or flowers to decorate your table or your home. These dry erase boards and chalkboards can be used with chalk markers or dry erase markers to add a sentimental message to your decor or to label your appetizers and dishes. A great wreath starts with a basic wreath form from Dollar Tree. They have $1 really good sized items in all kinds of shapes. Pair them with a little mesh and florals for a simple seasonal wreath. Also, don't overlook their pre-made decor. You don't have to DIY everything. Some of the signs and seasonal items are really cute just as they are. Now let's move on to some items that you can use to prep and serve your Thanksgiving meal. Take a look at the party aisle for hard, clear plastic serving dishes. These are great for dinners you only host once a year. They wash up and store nicely and save you a lot of money and the need to purchase expensive dishes that you rarely use. The same goes for the foil baking pans and trays. They are just perfect for family gatherings and large dinners. There's always a wide variety of seasonal dishes with fall foliage or solid colors. This year, I am loving the buffalo check. If you want to use your own dishes or have enough at home already, dress up the table with festive chargers under the plates. You can also use printed towels and pot holders in the kitchen. These trivets also work really well for hot dishes on a table. Take a look at how I dressed them up with my Cricut last year. Dollar Tree always has a wide variety of paper products. I like using these for dessert for easy cleanup. I like these picks for appetizers and drink skewers too. When you are ready to send your guests home with leftovers, pick up a bunch of plastic containers for them to take. Last year, I dressed mine up with vinyl as nice parting gifts for my family. I purchased a few items to add to a Thanksgiving centerpiece. I like to reuse things I already have from different seasons and years past, so I didn't go overboard this time. I just bought a few new things to change up the decor this year. I started with a burlap runner. The other side of this is decorated for summer, but it's plain on the back. I picked up 2 of the fall jars from Dollar Tree, the ones with the little charm on them, and I'm pairing them with battery-powered votives for a nice subtle light. Then I'm using pumpkins that I've collected over the years. I don't find the need to buy ones every season. I'm just going to use what I have. I'm using this seasonal vase filler to scatter around the table and add a little glitter and color. I bought one of the medium-sized chalkboard signs, and I'm going to dress this up a little. I'm painting the frame gray and then using a chalk marker to write a little message. Before using a chalk marker, be sure to season the board. Just rub a piece of chalk over it and then wipe it off. This will ensure that the chalk marker or any chalk that you use will erase nicely when you are done. I really got into hand lettering this year. There's a link in the description to a workbook that I love. If you want to improve your lettering or get started with it altogether, I highly recommend this workbook. This little chalkboard will sit right in the center of my table and adds a nice DIY element to the whole thing. Dollar Tree is a great spot for Thanksgiving decor, DIY projects, and dishes. Use these tips to guide your shopping and save money this holiday season. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and while you're down there, be sure to subscribe. What item will you be picking up at Dollar Tree for your Thanksgiving dinner? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.